I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you what QuickShare is on Android and how to use it. To start sharing files using QuickShare, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the photo, video, or file you want to send on your Android device, tap the share icon, and then tap share again. Step 2. Select QuickShare from the share menu options. Your phone will immediately scan for nearby compatible devices. Step 3. Make sure the receiving device has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on and that its QuickShare visibility is set to receive files. Step 4. Tap the name of the recipient's device on your screen. Step 5. A prompt will appear on the receiving device. Have the recipient tap Accept to complete the transfer. You can also adjust your QuickShare privacy settings so you only share with people you know. Go into your device settings, tap Connected Devices, tap Connection Preferences, and then select QuickShare, and tap Who Can Share With You. From here, you can set your visibility to your devices, contacts, or everyone for 10 minutes. If you frequently transfer files between your Android phone and a Windows laptop, you can download the official QuickShare for Windows application. Once installed on your PC and signed into your Google account, you can quickly drag and drop files back and forth without needing any physical cables. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.